Chris Price, CEO of Pecan, a charity organization, says there is a 500% year-on-year increase in the number of people they are feeding in a 3-week period in 2020 since the COVID-19 lockdown. Charities such as Pecan and the Southwark Food Bank have several schemes to help people. They are a safety net, especially when South London residents are finding the government's benefit system called the Universal Credit hard to understand. Every day, charities receive donations from wholesalers, supermarkets, and individuals. Tinned and fresh vegetables as well as fruits are sorted by volunteers and placed in boxes for around 250 families in parts of London who depend on this food bank. Meanwhile, Ryanair plans to reintroduce 40% of its flights from 1st July, subject to travel restrictions being lifted and safety measures being brought in at airports. The airline will operate nearly 1,000 flights a day, bringing back nearly all of its pre-COVID-19 route network. Ryanair says the cabin crew will wear face masks or coverings, and only a limited in-flight pre-packed food and drink service will operate, with all transactions being cashless. Since restrictions began in March, Ryanair has only operated 30 flights a day between Ireland, the UK and Europe. British Airways says it plans to review its plans to run 50% of its schedule from July because of new quarantine rules. Finally, the Jordanian government has decided to gradually resume business in all economic sectors starting Wednesday, but only allow some business sites to open for the time being. Some sectors will remain closed, including food courts at malls, schools, cinemas, and gyms. Food businesses are among the ones that have started operating again. Cafes in Jordan remain closed and can only provide delivery services currently due to the epidemic control. To mitigate the impact of the outbreak, the Jordanian government has taken a series of measures, including cutting tax and increasing market liquidity to help business owners.